Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Snapchat. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. In today's digital age, safeguarding your online account has become very important with the rise of cyber threats. It is important to take proactive measures to protect your personal information. Snapchat, the popular instant messaging app, understands the importance of user security and offer a simple yet effective solution for added security. So two-factor authentication adds extra layer of protection to your Snapchat account, ensuring that even if someone managed to get your password, they won't be able to access your account without an additional verification step. So how to enable this feature? So you can open your Snapchat and you can go to settings by tap on the up left corner. Tap on the up right corner on your settings in here. Now you can just scroll down and there is an option two-factor authentication. You can just tap on that. So here, you can just tap on continue. You can you can choose how you want to receive your verification code. I will choose from text verification. Snapchat will send you code to your number. So here's the number. You can enter the number. Now you can generate a recovery code so that you can log in into new devices if you change or lose access to your phone number. Tap on generate. You can enter security, password. Tap on continue. So here's your recovery code. You can write this somewhere safe. You can use this code once instead of the one we text you log back into your account now. You write it down. So now you have enabled your two-step verification on your Snapchat. It's so simple, right? So that is how to enable two-step verification on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.